Hi everyone, in this video we will explain the output command. So this is the first lesson. We write the code in the Dart programming language. Select all these codes and let us start from 0. So first thing first, we need to write the main function. In all program, in any program, in the Dart, in any project, we must type the main function. The main function is the point where the project starts from. So the compiler starts to execute our code from the main function. So basically, we will write all the code inside the main function. So just type main and then this parenthesis and then curly bracket. Later in the course, in other section, we will explain the functions in the detail. So now, no matter what is this code, the first line we will start with is the print command. Print used to display any string on the console monitor. So this is the console output. In this function, print, we will display any text. So for example, hello, and then any line you write in the Dart programming language, it should end with the semicolon. So now this is our first code. Just click on run, and as you can see, hello in the debug console. So for example, if I type and then click run, so as you can see, hello board. So here it gives me a hint, only use double quote for string containing single quotes. So here it prefer to use single quote. So Alt enter or Option enter in the Mac to display the hint and convert to single quote string. As you can see, the hint is disappear. So we can use single quote or double quote or triple quote with the strings, but it's prefer to use single quote in the general situation. But you can use double quote when the string contains single quote, or you can use single quote when the string contains double quote. So for example, print Hassan's lessons. As you can see, this single quote won't work because the compiler now identifies this word as a string, but this word is not a string. So the solution for this is to put a double quote inside a single quote, or vice versa. So for example, we can use double quote here and single quote here and double quote here. If I click run, you can see Hassan's lesson, Hassan's lesson. Also, we can use the triple quote, and the triple quote used to print a multi-line text or multi-line string. So for example, if I use double quote like this, and then I can write any text. So for example, hello board, and then semicolon. Okay, so if I click run, as you can see, hello world, it displays a multi-line text. Also, if I print some mathematical operation, so print, for example, 3 plus 5, semicolon, and then click run, so the result is 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. But you should differentiate between these two concepts. So in the second line, I'll use the single quote with the 3 plus 5. So if I click run, as you can see, in the first line, 3 plus 5, the result is 8. But in the second line, 3 plus 5, he displayed 3 plus 5. So he considered this 3 plus 5 as a string because you put it inside a single quote, or even double quote or triple quote. So this is a string. This is just a string. It's not the value. So he will not display the value of 3 plus 5, but he will display 3 plus 5 because it is just a text. So, for example, we can put the text, as you can see, 3 plus 5 equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, but what if I want to print these two lines in just a single line? So 3 plus 5 equal to 8. I need the 8 appear in the same line. So we can use a dollar sign. In this place, I can use dollar sign and then open the curly braces and then just type 3 plus 5 and delete this line. So simply now, just click run. As you can see, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So what's the meaning of this dollar sign? The dollar sign is used to display the value of anything you put inside the curly braces. So anything you put inside curly braces is considered as the value. He hypothesized that you want to print the value, not the text. So finally, at the end of each time you write in the code, you can format the code. So I'll use the keyboard shortcut Shift Alt L or Shift Option L on the Mac.